Just finished up this epoxy table. Finally. Took forever. It pissed me off and I strip it and redo it. But red oak, it turned out pretty cool, man. It's got some neat stuff on it. Some little drippage going on there. I'll be sanding that down off of there and gotta just got it done. Got some touch up to do, but it'll be flawless when I'm done. It's beautiful. Some bitch is heavy too for a little table. Looks like a freaking surfboard. Some fucking crazy ass catfish, but I don't know. I like it.